Good morning, students. In previous class, we have learnt the word problems based on fractions. And as I said, today we are going to learn about problems based on age. Okay? So, here, open your page number from your maths book, chapter 5:15. Okay? So problems based on age is starting from question number 12. You can see it here also. What is question number 12? It is given father is 6 times as old as his son. 4 years hence he will be 4 times as old as his son at that time. Find their present ages. Okay? See, father is 6 times as old as his sons. That means, what is son's age? Father has 6 times as old as its son. And after 4 years, father's age will be 4 times the son's age. Okay, and now you have to find out what is the present age of father and his son. Okay, so just have a look at here the answer. First is, before in last class we have discussed about one example from page number chapter 5:10, example number 5, problems based on age. Okay, same as like that, if we'll write all the information in a chart, we can solve it easily and we can get the answer easily. Okay, so here I have made one chart. See, in the box I have written the time and father and son. Okay, the time. The present age is, now the present age of son is x. Let us take the present age of son is x. So what will be father's age according to the question? According to the question, the father's age will be 6 times son's age, means 6 times x. It is 6x. Okay, after 4 years, after 4 years means what will be father's age? 6x plus 4, and son's age is x plus 4. Now we'll get one equation from the question. 4 years after, father's age will be 4 times as old as his son. So what will be the equation? The equation will be this one, father's age 6x plus 4 equal to 4 times his son's age, means 4 times x plus 4. Okay, so one equation we got, and from this we can eliminate the value of x. 6x plus 4, it is 4x, plus 4 times 4 means 16, and 6x minus 4x, it is 16 minus 4, therefore 2x equal to 12 and x equal to 12 by 2, that is 6. This one is present age. Present age of son is x, and here x we got. Present age of son we got 6. So what will be father's age now? 6 times x means 6 times 6, that is 36 years. Okay, so present age of son is 6 years and present age of father is 36 years. Okay, now again see the question number 13. The age of the father is 3 years more than 3 times of the age of the son. 3 years hence, father's age will be 10 years more than twice the age of the son. Determine their present age. So here the solution of question number 13. So let us take the present age of son is x, and according to the question, the age of the father is 3 years more than 3 times the age of the son. 3 years more than 3 times the age of the 3 years more means 3 plus, okay, more than 3 times the age of the son means 3 times the age of the son is x, 3 times x. So 3 plus 3x is father's age. What is the present age of the father? Okay. And now see 3 years hence. Up to this much you write down in your chat 3 years hence. That means 3 years after. What will be the son's age? 3 plus x. And father's age will be 3 plus x, that is 6 plus 3x. Okay. So next line is what? 3 years hence, father's age will be 10 years more than twice the age of the son. 3 years after the father's age is this one, 3 years after, this one equal to 10 years more than, that means 10 plus more than twice the age of the son. Twice means 2, age of the son means 3 plus x. Okay, twice the age of the son. Okay. Now solve the equation. 6 plus 3x equal to 10 plus 6 plus 2x. Therefore 3x minus 2x, it is x, and this one is 16 minus 6. So x equal to 10 years. So the present age of the son is 10 years. Okay. Now the father's present age is 3 plus 3x. You got the value of x, put the value of x here. Okay. So 3 plus 3 times 10, that is 3 plus 30, it is 33 years. So son's present age is 10 years and father's present age is 33 years. Okay. This is the answer. Then just see question number 14. Question number 14 is given, the age of a man is 3 times the sum of the age of his 2 children, and 5 years hence his age will be double the sum of their age. Find his present age. Okay. So have a look. So let us take the present age of the son is x. Here 2 children it has given, so you have to take 2 children, one is x and one is y. Let us take this one. 2 children of the man is x and y. Here I have taken just see x and y. And the age of a man is 3 times the sum of the age. That means the father's age will be 3 times x plus y. Okay. Then 5 years hence. Okay. So 5 years, up to this you have to write in your chart. 5 years hence means after 5 years, what will be the x present age, x is, the first son's age will be x plus 5 and the second son's age will be y plus 5, and the father's age also will be added with 5. So 3 times x plus y plus 5. Okay. Now see the next line. What is given? After 5 years, the man's age will be double the sum of their age. There means the 2 sons. Okay. So what will be the condition? After 5 years, his age will be, after 5 years, his age is this one will be equal to double means 2 times the sum of their age. That means the sum of this one and this one. So 2 times x plus 5 plus y plus 5. So what you will get? Solve the equation. 3x plus 3y plus 5 equal to 2 times x plus 5 plus y plus 5. Okay. So 3x plus 3y plus 5 equal to 2x plus 2 times 5 means 10. 2y then 2 times 5 means 10. Okay. So 3x minus 2x, it is x. 3y minus 2y, it is y. 5 plus 10 plus 10, that means here 10 and 10 is there. 5, this 2 10 will come this side, means it will become minus 15. X plus y minus 15 equal to 0. Therefore x plus y equal to 15 years. Okay. So x plus y means the age of the sum of the age of two sons. Okay. Then what will be the father's present age? Okay, just see, father's present age is 3 times x plus y. X plus y, the value of x plus y we got. Okay, then 3 times x plus y is the father's current age. So you can get it. The father's present age will be 3 times x plus y, that is 3 times 15. It is 45 years. Okay. Now have a look at question number 15. Here the question, Ram's father is 4 times as old as Ram. 5 years ago, his father was 9 times as old as he was. Then, what are their present ages? Ram's father is 4 times as old as Ram. So, let us take, just see here. Let us take Ram's age equal to x. So, according to the question, Ram's father's age is 4 times as Ram. So, father's age will be 4x, 4 times x. Then, see the question, 5 years ago. 5 years ago means 5 years before the age. Here write down 5 years before 5 years. Okay. So, before 5 years, Ram's age will be x minus 5 and father's age also will be 5 subtracting from 4x, that is equal to 4x minus 5. Okay. Now, see the condition. 5 years ago, his father was 9 times as old as Ram was. Okay. So, father's age is this one, 4x minus 5 equal to 9 times of its son Ram. Okay, 9 times x minus 5. Solve this equation. 4x minus 5 equal to 9 times x minus 9 times 5 means 45. Therefore, 4x minus 9x, it is minus 5x, and minus 45 plus 5, it is 40, minus 40. So, x will be minus 40 by minus 5, minus minus will cancel out, and 5 8s are 40. So, x equal to 8 years. What is Ram's present age? Okay, Ram's present age equal to x equal to 8 years we got. Now, you can find out father's present age. Father's present age will be 4 times x means 4 times 8, that is equal to 32 years. Okay. So, Ram's father's age is 32 and Ram's age is 8 years now. Okay. Now, just see question number 16. At the time of marriage, a man was 6 years older than his wife, but 12 years after his marriage, his age was 6/5 of the age of his wife. What were their ages at the time of marriage? Okay. Now just see the answer. So let us take wife's present age is X, so that according to the question, at the time of marriage a man was 6 years older than his wife. So what will be the husband's age? Husband's age will be 6 plus 6 above X, means 6 plus X. Okay, then 12 years after his marriage, his age was 12 years after. Okay, read this much and write up to this much. 12 years after, what will be the wife's present age? X plus 12. And husband's present age will be X plus 6 plus 12. That means X plus 18. Okay. So, now again read the question. 12 years after his marriage, his age was 6/5 of the age of his wife. That means 18 plus X, that is husband's age after 12 years. 18 plus X is 6/5 the wife's age. That means 6/5 of X plus 12. So 18 plus X, solve this equation. 18 plus X equal to 6 times X plus 12 by 5. So here you have to multiply 5 with this. So you will get 90 plus 5X equal to 6X plus 72. Again you solve it. 6X minus 5X, you will get X. Then after 90 minus 72, it is 18. So what is the age of wife you got? The age of wife, that is X equal to 18 years. Okay. Now the present age of husband is 6 plus X. Put the value of X in this equation. You will get 6 plus 18, that is equal to 24 years. So the present age of husband is 24 and wife is 18 years. Okay. Now just see question number 17. Here the question. The present age of Ram and Syam are in the ratio 5:6. 5 years ago, the ratio was 4:5. Find their present age. Okay. So have a look at this solution. So is the ratio of Ram's and Syam's age is given 5:6. Let us take Ram's age is 5x and Syam's age is 6x, the present age. Okay. 5 years ago, that means 5x minus 5 will be Ram's age and Syam's age will be 6x minus 5. Okay. And that is given the ratio 5 years ago, the ratio of Ram, the age of Ram and Syam is 4:5. That means 5x minus 5 by 6x minus 5 equal to 4 by 5. Now cross multiply this one. Solve this equation. 5 times 5x minus 5 and 4 times 6x minus 5. So this one equal to 5 times 5x means 25x minus 5 times 5 means 25, and here 4 6 are 24x, 4 5 are 20. Now 25x minus 24x, it is x, and minus 20 plus 25, it is 5. So x equal to 5 we got. But Ram's present age and Syam's present age you have to find out. This is our present age of Ram and this is our present age of Syam. So you have to put the value of x in here and here so that you can get Ram's and Syam's present age. 5 times x is 5 times 5, that is equal to 25, that is Ram's present age, and 6x, that is equal to 6 times 5 equal to 30 years, that is Syam's present age. Okay, remember one thing, here I have not written years. 30 years you have to write, here also 25 year you have to write. Okay, years you have to mention. So what is Ram's present age? 25 years, and Syam's present age is 30 years. Okay. Okay students, just see problems based on articles and cost. One number I have done and rest of the number just try it yourself. So question number 18 is given. The cost of 5 pencils and 6 erasers is rupees 1.80, whereas that of 3 pencils and 2 erasers is 92 paise. Find the cost of each of a pencil and an eraser. Okay, so here the solution. Let us take the cost of one pencil is x and the cost of one eraser is y. So the cost of 5 pencil will be 5x and 6 eraser will be 6y. Okay, and according to the question, 5x plus 6y is rupees 1.80, that means 180 paise. Okay, take it is equation 1. Then after the cost of 3 pencil is 3x and 2 eraser is 2x, and according to the question 3x plus 2y will be 92 paise. Okay, take it as equation 2. So here two equations we got, this one and this one. Now subtract equation 2 into 3, that means why you have multiplied equation 2 into 3, so that you can eliminate the value of y and x very easily. Then after this 6y and 6y will cancel out. Okay, 5x minus 9x will be minus 4x, and 180 minus 276. 276 means you have multiplied 3 with 92, you got 276. So minus 4x equal to minus 96. Therefore x will be minus 96 by minus 4. So x equal to 24. X equal to 24. Which value this one? The cost of one pencil. The cost of one pencil is 24 rupees. Okay. Now put the value of x either in equation 1 or else equation 2, so that you can get the value of y. Okay. So 3x plus 2y equal to 92. So at the place of x put 24, that means 3 times 24 plus 2y equal to 92. Therefore 2y equal to 92 minus 72. Therefore y will be 20 by 2, that is equal to 10 rupees. So the cost of one pencil is 24 rupees and the cost of one eraser is 10 rupees. Okay, same as like this you have to do up to question number 24. Okay, in the next class we'll read about the problems based on geometrical problems. Okay, then after we'll read problems based on boat and streams by using the simultaneous equations. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.